I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling documents that prove identity, address, and relationship. This saves repeated trips. Once done, choose whether to use the state Ration portal or go to the local office. Both work, but online is quicker. Now log in or collect the official application, fill the form carefully, and explicitly name the member to remove with the removal reason. Make sure dates match supporting documents. Submit the form or hand it to the clerk, and get an acknowledgement or receipt immediately. Next, you focus on verification. Upload clear scans or submit photocopies and sign where indicated. Blurred files cause delays. If removal needs supporting proof, like a death certificate or a legal order, attach it and provide an affidavit when required. After submission, note the acknowledgement number. Once you have it, track application progress online or request a physical status update from the office. Make sure to respond quickly to any queries, because unanswered requests prolong processing and may lead to rejection. Finally, after approval, download the updated Ration card or collect the printed copy. Check member list and all spellings immediately. If the removal is rejected, read the stated reason, correct only the missing or incorrect documents, and resubmit promptly. Don't start from scratch. A key troubleshooting tip: if online fixes stall, bring originals and the acknowledgement number to the local office for manual verification. This often resolves mismatches faster and avoids repeated digital submission loops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.